that AI is moving faster than the regulations and the government, and it poses a societal risk also. And considering the tech divide in the country, what do you see? AI is also kind of a risk factor in education sector and edutech. What do you think?
Yeah. What I will say, AI is a tool. Now, if you use handle with care, means if you use very sincerely, it is a good tool. But yeah, it is making a human being a lazy. People are going to AI for any help. They are not coming to the teacher, or they are not coming to the parents. Earlier we used to ask some questions to parents, some to teachers. Now everything you go and search in AI you get. So there is a danger. Yes, there is a big danger. There is a big danger, and I believe if everybody is going to only switch over to AI, because there are some errors also in AI, it can create hazardous problem. You can understand.
Can you just specify that danger, since you have highlighted the danger? Can you just pinpoint what that danger is all about?
AI is made by human only, yeah. And now whatever things are there stored, it is coming out from there. Now, they are not like intellectual like human being. So if I ask some answer, there may be some wrong answer, there may be some wrong guidance. Now, whatever I do, even if I want to go for a tour, Kashmir, I just write to ChatGPT, I want to go for 3 days tour to Kashmir, please give me an itinerary. They give. So we believe in that and we go. But we never know whether they are right or wrong. So this is one of the example. So like the student also, they go and ask anything and they believe in this. They say this is the right.
Yeah, I mean, let's just look at the drones example, right? Much before the regulations were in place to shoot down a drone that's not licensed, where the government doesn't know who is running and operating that drone, it was a free-for-all. Technology is not going to wait for the governments of the world to implement standards. What we have in terms of data prevention and Privacy Protection Act last year is a fantastic step.
The edutech sector going forward.
I think it is EdTech is growing very fast. We can understand after the COVID, after the pandemic, it is going very rapidly, growing very fast. And earlier it was only in the metro cities. Now you can see in tier 2 and tier 2, 3 cities also. Just because of the connectivity, the accessibility, and affordability. Because it is very affordable. A student from the remote area can afford. Can reach to the best faculty, best education facility over the anywhere across the globe, and this is just because of the accessibility and connectivity available thanks to all the internet providers, 5G providers that we are reaching everywhere. And the main thing which is coming up is that earlier the girls were not able to go to the best facility from the remote area, from the villages. Now it is possible. The women are not giving up the education. They have a desire to continue the education because of this EdTech. So EdTech is I think is a big boom coming up, and by 2025, it is going to be around $400 billion industry in the world.
And one word that comes to your mind when you think about the edutech sector going forward?
Pardon?
One word that comes to your mind when you think about the edutech sector and the growth potential it has?
It is going to be tremendous growth, I can say, and the government is helping out in every way the digital industry. So I think it is going to be having a tremendous boom in the year to come.
Mr. Khara, since you are the Vice Chancellor of Sharda University,
Digital era is coming up, and with the help of the AI and the different tools, earlier the education EdTech was limited to only the classroom. Now it is going to the different devices. The use of mobile users, you can understand every home might be having at least 3 to 4 mobile. So mobile device each individual. So EdTech is very much coming up, and so I will say it is going to have a tremendous boom in the year to come.
Venkatesh, coming to you, so what more needs to be?
Tech companies are coming, different everyday softwares and apps are launching. There has to be a government regulations in pipeline. Otherwise, there will be a big problem because lots of scams and frauds are coming up. So we have to be aware about this wanted to aid. So the government regulation has to be there should be there should be a balance between the oversight and the innovations.
Right,
There should be
absolutely
there.
right.
Thank you.